Hyperstocks is our super cool Skywalker camera plane. It's an awesome plane and it can do even these wacky setups. We were having a flight with our space shuttle on it. This is my brother's Lego City space shuttle. Lego City, you build it all with instructions. And this is just like so wacky. We have the GoPro over here, some big fat batteries over here, and the reason that we could do this crazy, wacky, no one else would dare do if because the big wings and the extra aileron add-ins that we did like a couple weeks ago, that really helped in the elevator.
It's working.
We had the CG right at the tip of the wing, almost to the motors, and believe it or not, it worked pretty good. So it was really heavy, so we it actually flew. We came for a really hot, fast landing, really hot and really fast. But we had to have full up elevator to do it, to like flare it up. So if we hadn't added these extra control services, we would not have be able to fly this. Go fly and have fun, Mercy Knox! The back one can, and he's just walking around. See, this is space shuttle won't ruin the ship, but the can fold out and it's hidden him, and then I will see that cool fun and have fun.